Now then, I'm Simon from Andover Triumph and I'm here in the warehouse as I am every single week having a look around to see what is available for your classic Triumph motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I've managed to find. First up this week, part number 604265, that's the air filter element for the 1977 through to 1988 bikes, that's £39.54 including VAT. The primary chain tensioner tool, that's part number 617012, is £7.99 including VAT. And part number 617014, that's £13.14 including VAT. It is the clutch extractor tool. And if there's something I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if it's available, you can check out the Andover Triumph website. It is linked in the section below. And until next time, thanks ever so much for watching this time and safe riding.